This is the procedure to reset your maintenance required light. This would pop up usually every 5,000 miles, where the Toyota dealership would set it so that you would go back to do like a tire rotation or any kind of other inspections that they might charge you a lot for. And a lot of times we don't really need it. So I'm going to teach you how to reset this light. So first of all, you would need to set your trip to the trip A. So press on your display button here, and it will keep pressing it until you see trip A. Usually it's right after the odometer. So this is trip A. And so what you would do is you would now turn off the car, and then as you are starting, or you don't need to really start up your car, but you need to put it back into the on position and press the display button on your steering wheel at the same time. So this is going to be hard on my phone, so give me 1 second here. So as you can see, my fingers on the display button, and hold it while you put the key onto the on position. So now you see these dashes here, and then now your maintenance required light should be off, as you can see here. And so now I just started the car up, and then now you can see your maintenance required light is no longer visible. And so now you got to keep track of your next oil change, because that's another 5,000 miles from when you first saw the light. So anyway, hope you guys learned something. We'll see you in another video.